Ito na! Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog. It's me, Lovely Shella. So today guys, mag-unboxing tayo in the car. And this is a birthday presents came from of course, my beloved husband. This is the first birthday presents and there's another one. It's coming soon. So, unboxing tayo guys. I'm so very excited. Pero parang alam ko na. I already know what's inside the box. But I want to show you guys that how excited I am. How excited I am. Of course, yung aking driver is my husband. We're going somewhere the same time. Sinusulit na lang namin yung time para makapag-unboxing ako at bawal ako. I'm not allowed to make a mess in his car. You know guys, yung naglilinis ng akin ng car, nagba-vacuum, nagka-car wash, it's my husband. So bawal ako, I'm not allowed to make a mess inside his car and also my car. Napakalinis ng car ko. Kahit itanong niya pa kay Mika at saka kay LJ. Hey! Sorry. Excited ako. It's heavy. This is a DJI. Of course, it's not sponsor. Bili namin to. So, DJI dyan. This is DJI Mic 2. The problem is I don't have a box cutter in my hand. How can I open this? Excited. Nako. Yun na naman. Trying hard vlogger tayo. Wala naman pinipili yan. But hindi ako marunong mag-open. Ano ba mayroon? Uy, mayroon na. Open ko siya. I did. I opened it. Look at this. I'm so excited. Kaya takot ako mawala yung mga pieces. That's why I have a cover in my lap. So that malagay natin yung mga parts in a cover. Hala! Mayroon siyang case! Wow! This is very fancy. Mayroon siyang case. I love it. Kasi meron ako before na mic in my kapag nagmumukbang ako. But nasira ko siya. Kasi ano lang yun, cheap lang yun. Pero this time, this is, I don't know what I'm gonna say. It's expensive. But this is, alam mo na, props natin for vlogging. Ayan. Meron siyang case. DJI. Lala. Oh my gosh. Hala, parang ako sira ulo, no? Hala, parang ayoko siya i-open wide. Ganyan siya, oh. Diba? Are you excited too, Han? Parang yung asawa ko
siya. Not as excited as you.
Yeah, I know. And there's a wire. USB wire. I think this is a charger.
Yeah, probably.
And what is this?
I can't see it.
Sorry.
It's an extension or something?
Yeah, it's a cord. Basta, ang ganda ng case niya. Very, 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 ano siya, parang napakalambot niya and makapal siya. Very thick. Uy! So, I need to open this way. This one, Han.
Yeah, you peel it. Never been opened.
Oh, never been opened. Of course, it's new. Oh my gosh! Ah! Ala! And then, napaka-heavy niya.
It's upside down.
It's upside down. So, I need to do this?
Yes.
Okay.
Then it's a push.
Oh! Look! Look, guys. Push. Wow! This is my dream come true. And this is a microphone. Hello, my test. Yung makikita niyo yung mga artista na gumagamit ng mga mic.
Reason why that's so heavy is that's the charger.
The charger.
Case. And then those are two wireless. And then the big one's the receiver that connects to your phone.
Oh, okay. So, ito yung i-clip natin to my clothes. Parang ganun. Hello, mic test. How are you, mic test? Parang ganun. Parang ganun siya, diba? Oh, minsan, blah, 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 blah. Hindi ko pa, wala pa natin, kung it is low bat or we need to charge it, right hand. And this is two microphone, two mic. So, may mga siya, you on, and then the volume nag-green siya.
Yeah.
It means it's
Probably charged.
hello, my test. Pero may ganun siya na. Tapos iba-bluetooth mo dyan sa phone, right hand?
Yeah.
Yeah, connect to your phone. So this case, it's a charger, right?
Yeah. See the lights on.
Yeah. So this case is a charger. Napaka-heavy niya. And if you see, nagto-turn yung lights niya dyan. It means it's charged. It's charging, right, honey?
Yeah.
And this is the I think the connector.
That's the
Receiver, yes. So you're gonna put this and
Connect to
then
the phone.
connect to the phone. You are right. And this is
The
for
different cables for the different devices.
yes, different devices. Ito yung mga cable niya. Halimbawa, kung mayroon kayong iPhone or mayroon kayong Android, so pwede siya. So pwede siya sa different devices. Samsung or whatever, or iPhone. Right? So, pwede talaga siya. This is the best. I know. I have lots of best gift, but this is the nako, I'm gonna taking care of this. I have a DJI tripod, right, honey? It's a tripod.
It's a gimbal.
It's a gimbal. Yeah, I have that one. So I'm gonna collect that, and then I'm gonna gather it in one place, in one area, para hindi mawala. So I'm super excited. Thank you, honey, so much.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And meron na tayong pang microphone na vlog dyan. So ayan, yung mga trying hard natin magkakatotoo na. So see ya sa mga vlog natin dyan. Ang ganda, I like it, Han.
Good. I'm happy.
Yes. And eto na siya. Hello, my Tess. This is Shella. This is lovely Shella. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And of course, don't forget to follow my Facebook Shella Lemon and Ate Shella. And of course, lovely sisters, guys.
You live to be that close to us.
I know. Hindi pa to ready kasi hindi ko pa na-connect sa aking phone. O diba, nagsasalita ako dito, blah 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 blah. Talagang very clear. So kailangan magsalita ako ng tamang words kasi sometimes nagmamarble yung words ko kasi hindi ko alam kung sabihin ko, magtatagalog ako, mag-iilonggo ako, or mag-i-English ako na mali-mali. But sana naman nagkakaintindihan tayo. So anyway, guys, eto lang yung unboxing ko for today. So hopefully nagustuhan nyo and sana naging excited din kayo para sa akin. Sige, this video is closed and we're going to close our unboxing microphone. And thanks again to my beloved husband, Christopher Lemon. Thank you so much. And dito lang, guys, mag-i-end ng aking unboxing vlog. So, bye guys and have a blessed day. Don't forget to like and share. Ito po, si Shallow Lemon. Bye! Ayan, hindi ko pala napakita sa inyo na mayroong dalawang feeder para to sa
It's called
for the microphone. Can I have one? It's two. Dalawa siya. So, there's two. And then, ilagay nyo dyan. O, diba? Hello, everyone. Welcome to my vlog again. Ayan siya. So, ayan. Diba may feather siya? Oh, so cute. I love it. So, dalawa siya. Meron siyang isa. Sa isang mic. So, ayun. Cute niya. So fluffy. I love it. O, diba? Ilagay mo lang dyan. Tapos, pwede na siya. O, diba? So, I'm trying the mic now, guys. I tried the mic. So, this is the receiver. If you see, when I'm talking,
that's the meter, strength meter.
yeah. So, yun. And there's a feeder. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my vlog. It's me, Lovely Shella again. Ayan na siya, oh. So, yun lang. Makita ko lang. Show ko lang kung paano mag-works yung DJI Mic. Ayan. And thanks. Boom. So, this is the receiver. So, if I want gonna use this, I'm gonna take it out this one. Right, honey?
Yep.
Yes, that one. That's the cover. I need to keep it. And slide this
Yep.
one. And then
Then you
plug in your... Yeah.
And then turn it
And
around
then
on
plug
the
in
screen.
your... Yes. And
Yeah,
then you
your
plug
phone.
in your phone.
But on the screen,
On
it
the
wants you to
device.
confirm it.
Yes. So
So
you
then
want...
you-
It's a touch screen.
So then you
And then
just swipe up. and
swipe
then-
out. Did you see that? There
Yeah,
you
you can
go.
swipe down.
It's a touch
And then there's
screen.
settings.
Uh-huh.
And then there's other settings and stuff.
Yeah, there you go, guys. Easy, easy.